Welcome, and in this video I'm going to show you how to back up your drone settings in Betaflight. So let's get started. First of all, connect your drone, and as you can see, now we can use the menu. Go to the presets, and right here you'll see the Save Backup button. Click on that one, and basically it will load current configuration and will open the file location where you want to save it. I will save on into the downloads, and you can name it how you want to, but I will leave as default. And it will restart, and after that, if you go to presets and click load backup, you'll be able to basically open that and load that backup again. So now just connect and check everything like the motors, receiver, and etc. if it's okay, and then you can leave it, and that's how you basically back up your drone settings. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to guide everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.